Meaning of dichotomy.
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 Dichotomy. Dichotomy refers to a division or contrast between two things that are completely opposite or different from each other. It is often used in situations where there are two conflicting or contrasting ideas or views. The term can be applied to various fields such as philosophy, linguistics, mathematics, and science. The result of dichotomy is a clear separation or distinction between two opposing concepts, which can sometimes make it difficult to find common ground or compromise between them. This can lead to polarized opinions and debates, and may require careful consideration and analysis to find resolution.